Hi guys. Welcome to my channel. For those who do not know who I am, Ontso kai. My name is Rerang Kgwaneng. Do you see these? Oh my god. So beautiful. Today's video is all about eyebrows. Brows. So, to do the brow, the way you fleek it, the way I fleek it, I had this beautiful message or messages from people who really wanted to learn how to do their eyebrows. Like, why haven't I done one? I am definitely doing it for you guys who've been asking me to do a tutorial on the brow. Charity asked me to do a tutorial on brows, and I'm teaching her and everybody else who'd love to learn how to do eyebrows. So shout out to Charity. But otherwise, I just want to say that, guys, if you have any ideas or tutorials that I can do, please let me know down in the comment section. Also, drop my details. If you guys have any idea of what products I could also try, let me know and I will definitely try them out for my next videos. Before I get too excited, because I'm already excited. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god. Many times I say oh my god. Okay. Okay, let's start with the video.
Alrighty, so first we're going to start off with a perfect prime on your face, and we're going to start with the primer from Signature. Just going to put it lightly above your eyebrows and just, smear it all over your face, mostly your upper face. That's if you're going to do just your eyebrows. This is to protect yourself from any makeup that you'll get on. And now we're going to go over with some powder, translucent powder from Signature. We're just gonna dab some of that on our eyebrows right there, just like that. Don't be afraid to powder it. Your face will get powdery, but it won't get cakey. Then we're just gonna go over with either a spoolie brush or a mascara brush and just brush over the hairs, going up just like that. Shape them into the shape you want. Mine already tweezed, so that's why it's kind of easy for me to kind of like, just brush them in place. And then we're gonna go over with a pencil. I'll use black opal, but you can use anything really. Anything is recommended as a brow pencil as long as if it can shade and put in the color. And I will be going over it lightly. As we can see, lightly, ladies, lightly, from the inner brow to the outer brow, lining under the brow. Make sure that you establish the shape of the eyebrow and curve with it, just like that. All right, then you want to go on top of the eyebrow, right above it, where it ends on top, and you just want to shade and put that line on top. Like I said, establish the line in which the eyebrow is going and assess it and go with it. Do not get mixed, do not get lost, go with it. And just brush, and now you're just gonna brush right into the hairs. Make sure that when you're brushing in the eyebrow, like right in the inner brow right there, it's very, very very light. You might want to even use the side of the eyebrow pencil just so that you can brush the hairs off. And then when you go inside, halfway going out, then you can darken them a bit, but do not press down your pencil. Then once again with our mascara brush or spoolie, either way, brush up your hairs, brush them and brush them hard, because you really want them to blend with the product and just blend so that they can all come in shape and they can all come, well, melting ingredients together. Just put them together, and once again, for more shape, you can go ahead and shade on top just so that you can get your shape once again. Go again with the mascara spoolie brush and we conceal. I'm going to be using the Lacoste concealer. Along with this concealer brush, dab a little bit, okay, of the product at the tip of the concealer brush, just like that. And it should be light, it shouldn't be too thick, it should be just flat. And the way I am holding the spoolie brush, please follow, because this will help you. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna be putting the concealer from our inner brow to the outer brow and slightly shading it. And yes, ladies, follow the shape. The concealer is just to clean whatever excess material or product is outside of the shape that you want your eyebrow to be. So let it guide you and follow your eyebrow. And I advise you to go in with the product, like right inside, all the way in your eye, like towards your nose, but not like all the way in, but yes. And then you're just gonna blend it down, blend down the product, blend down the concealer right down there. Don't be shy. And then when we go on top, you're just going to conceal the same way you concealed underneath, is the same way you're going to conceal up. Make sure that your brush is flat and your hand is absolutely not shaky, because if you're shaky, it's going to make a mess and your concealer is going to conceal the wrong places. So make sure that you are up and running and you're ready. And all you have to do is clean the product on top and make sure that you press down all the product on the eyelid so that your eyelid can also look fresh and clean. Yes. Go on top again so that the product can just wear out, fade away, just like that. Alrighty. Now you see that your brow is transforming into this fleekage that I keep telling you guys about. And the more you do it under the eye with the more concealer, the more defined your eyebrow will be. Alright, beautiful. Now next we're going to do a touch up once you have done both eyebrows or both sides of your brows, and you're just going to be lightly putting the product right in the middle of your brows so that you can create sort of like an ombre for your brows and also shape them so that they can meet at midpoint. And by doing so, use more concealer to clean under, and you can also decide how thick or thin you want your eyebrows to look, and you can conceal them more on top or more below. It's really up to you until you get the perfect shape. And I should let you guys know at the beginning, and even probably even when you're a pro, you're gonna find out that there's always that one brow that you love more than the other, so it's okay. And you're just going to go on with the product and blend it out with a beauty blender or a sponge, and there you have it.
Wow, ain't that just beautiful? But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope that I helped you uncover the ways in which you can make your eyebrow fleek. And I hope that you guys loved the video, which means you probably liked it at the beginning of this video, if I'm right. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe. If you have subscribed, share it. And don't forget to tag your sisters. Otherwise being saying that, really it's that simple. Guys, if you want me to do a tutorial, please let me know that are makeup related and I will definitely do them.